Ever thought about how ancient builders created earthquake-resistant structures? Learn about the innovative techniques used in ancient Japan. Imagine standing in a bustling village in 16th century Japan, a land where the very earth beneath your feet could betray you with a violent quake at any moment. Yet, remarkably, these ancient builders had a secret weapon, the pagoda. Unlike rigid constructions, these towering structures employed a central wooden column called a shinbashira, which acted like a shock absorber, allowing the pagoda to sway gracefully rather than crumble. Ingeniously, the builders also used interlocking wooden beams that could flex and absorb seismic energy, a practice known as flexible architecture. This ancient marvel not only stood the test of time but also inspired modern earthquake-resistant designs. The harmony between nature and human ingenuity in ancient Japan is a testament to the timeless quest for safety and resilience.